Check these sheets for uniform thickness.
This one feels a bit thin.
Set it aside. We need consistency.
This batch is good.
Check these veins. They must be straight. This one looks good. Smooth edges. This piece has a tear. Setting it aside. Agreed. Stack the rejects over there. Got it. Let's get these bags arranged for inspection.
Okay, pass that one here. This bundle looks good.
I'll take it to the stack. Next one. Group these banana leaf bags into batches of 20. Stack them tight on the pallets. This batch is complete. Next one. We're applying a pH balance solution to clean and soften the fibers. This eco-safe process removes impurities without harsh chemicals. Let's inspect these banana leaf bags. Checking the seals and overall condition. Leaves look fresh and undamaged. This batch passes inspection. Stack them tight on the pallet. Got it. Next layer. Good. One more stack. Let's get these bags loaded quickly. Ready, one at a time. Careful on the edge. Next batch is ready. Good pace, keep it up. Labeling this box, 100 bags.
Okay, I'll stack it.
Next one, batch A456.
Got it.
This is the finished banana leaf leather. Let's check its quality. The texture is smooth and even with no imperfections. It's flexible and strong. This batch passes inspection. Placing the sample into 85% humidity for accelerated aging. After exposure, it remains flexible. No signs of degradation. This is the flexibility test for banana leaf vegan leather. It bends easily without cracking. See how it returns to its shape. This confirms its strong flexibility. Starting the color inspection on these banana leaf bags. The color is uniform, no variations detected. This batch passes, moving to the next. Starting the stitch strength test now. The readings are climbing steadily, approaching the breaking point. And there's the break. The stitches held up to 520 Newton. Next sample. See how these handles make the bags easy to carry. Perfect for stacking and moving around the factory. Alright, submerging now. Watch for leaks. Looks good so far. Hold steady. Check the seams. Seams are holding. No bubbles. Alright, let's test the load capacity.
Okay, I'll hold the bag steady.
We're at 25 kilos. It's holding firm.
That's impressive strength. Let's lift it.
Solid. No deformation. Starting color consistency check. This bag shows good uniformity. Next one, slight shade variation. Overall within tolerance. Final check on these bags. Marking this one approved. Stack it with the others. This batch is ready. Pack them tight, no shifting. Got it. This layer is set. Good. Tape them up. Stack them tight, no shifting. Got it. Next one. Good. One more layer. Alright, let's check the shipment. Yes sir, all boxes are sealed and labeled. Good. Let's open one and inspect the bags. The weaving is tight and even. Looks good. Approved for dispatch.
These bags are stunning. The texture is incredible.
It's remarkable. They feel so luxurious.
And from banana leaves. It's brilliant.